Alright guys, this is called a foul saw, or a butterfly knife. I'm going to show you how to open one of the simplest tricks in the book for the open. First off, you just engage the trigger, which is the bottom piece right here. Kind of hold it like that and you drop it. Right? When you drop it, you want to have a loose grip on it. You're going to bring it up and twist it like that. You're going to flick it over like so. And the other way, the way you do it is drop, flick up and twist, and flick it back. Where you shut it, it's the same thing. Drop, twist, just like that. That's what it looks like. That's it. Got it?